How to restore compromised tooth without ferrule effect in case if tooth is vital with restorations. New BG Dental case special for you. Let's go. Hello dear colleagues, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This time our new BG Dental case that is dedicated to very interesting clinical situation when tooth was completely destroyed by caries, and it was gum level, actually somewhere below the gum, but the tooth was vital, and I had a very strong and big dilemma inside of myself in order to choose the technique of restoration of such a tooth. So let me show you exactly the case. Actually, this is the part of full mouth rehabilitation. Our patient came to us with a strong request to improve aesthetics and also to replace old restorations that she had. She had a lot of composite restorations and also some PFM crowns on the upper jaw. So here you can see a lower jaw of the patient. And here is the quadrant that we're going to discuss today with you. So we have this group of teeth and our dental case is dedicated to them. The second molar is pretty easy to understand how to restore because second molar was endodontically treated. You can see here post. So after removal we will build up and we will do a new crown here. But fourth molar is vital, and you can see here multiple multiple restorations direct. You can see one filling here, another filling is here, one more. So basically we have a crown that was made in patient's mouth with composite resin materials. Okay, so we have multiple layers or even fillings. I don't know, maybe they were placed in one day, or maybe, like, you know, sometimes you have a class 1, then the patient comes, class 2, then class 5, and so on and so on. So here we have that thing. So we were replacing these fillings, and after I removed everything, including caries, I ended up with such a situation, and this was my face exactly. I was shocked because the tooth is still vital, and from the lingual side, you can see here, from the lingual side, the level of the tooth is below the gum, and there is no ferrule effect here, nothing, zero. From buccal side we can have some small supragingival areas, maybe some small stalactites also, but the rest is as you can see. So I was really thinking what kind of restorative approach to implement in such a case, and then I decided that adhesive dentistry, it works. There are many articles in our profession proved scientifically and also clinically that you can bond restorations to compromised teeth with no ferrule. For example, you know that this type of restorations that are called like tabletop. Tabletop restoration is completely plain or flat and there is no ferrule, so they just bond to the tooth surface with nothing. Okay, and by the way, we have prepared for you an online masterclass about posterior veneers and about tabletops also, and it will be live broadcasted with step-by-step explanation and demonstration how to prep teeth for occlusal veneers, for tabletop, for veneer-lays, and so on and so on. You'll be able to see everything, 5 different types of preparations, upper and lower jaw, and you'll get everything. This video is about benefits that you will have from our online workshop. Presence effect. This is a unique feature by Belograd Academy that literally moves you to our training center and you can stay close to speaker. This is like over-shoulder format. The training process is filmed through the video system from the microscope, and there are 2 more cameras broadcasting close-up and general view. This way, you can see everything in precise details. Efficiency. Do you agree, guys, that over-shoulder workshop with detailed video and explanation is way better than regular slides. The third benefit is convenience. So basically you don't need to go anywhere and you can study in comfort conditions, in your home, in your office, during running exercises, from your phone, from your computer, from your tablet, and you can do anything you want with the content. So join us as we shifted online education into the next level. The link to our online masterclass is below this video in description. So, having information that adhesive dentistry shows very good long-term results in compromised cases also with no ferrule, I decided to choose that technique. So I provided a rubber dam isolation. In this case you can see that sometimes, by the way, it happens that these kind of clamps that have pretty wide jaws, you may have gum exposed, and just a small tip, you can pack it with a Teflon, for example, or liquid dam, or you can replace the clamp, reposition the clamp, and so on. So now we have modified rubber dam isolation. Then I provided sandblasting here with aluminum oxide to clean everything perfectly. Then here you can see lateral image, lateral view to the situation, and then we provided immediate dentin sealing with bonding agent and with a highly filled flowable composite. You can read about ideas more precisely from the author of the technique, Pascal Manier. You can see his article from 2005. There are many reasons why. You can actually read here. If you want to know more about ideas, we have interview with Pascal. It is available in our YouTube channel in the playlists, Dental Talks. You can see our interview with Pascal Manier, and also on our YouTube channel in playlists, webinars, which are free webinars. You can have my explanation about ideas, when and how to use this technique and this approach. Okay. Also, it is proved that IDS improves bonding between your indirect restorations and the tooth. And these are articles, and this is the article, recent one from 2017 from the Journal of Prosthetic Dentistry, that proves that IDS actually works. The article from other authors, so Pascal Manier was not included into that research, let's say, but these authors, they prove that it actually perfectly works. Okay, so we provided IDS, then we removed this oxygen inhibited layer. Here you can see how the tooth looks like after resin coat. Okay, here we have finished preparation of lower jaw for indirect restorations, and we are ready to bond our final restorations, ceramic restorations. One more time, we provided rubber dam isolation, and here you can have a protocol to bond your ceramic to the tooth and also to the part of the composite. In such a case, we have a huge part of composite, and I will share with you, let's say, advanced protocol, because there is a simple protocol and there is advanced protocol. So advanced protocol consists of sandblasting. The best results you can achieve with aluminum oxide coated with a silica, so silica coated aluminum oxide. Okay, so you sandblast. Then you may use ceramic primer or ceramic silane on the surface of composite, and that will give you some chemical adhesion to glass particles that are in composite. And then you can get also chemical adhesion to monomers that will come from resin cement, and then you bond actually everything. So if we will go into steps, let me give you really briefly how we will do it in clinical conditions. So we etch our enamel, the tooth surface, with phosphoric acid 30 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds enamel. Then we can etch the rest of the surface just for cleaning, okay, just to clean it, like 5-10 seconds, rinse, dry. Then you apply, let's say this is our silane. Okay, so that is our silane. We apply silane just on the composite surface. Then you can wait till it evaporates, or you can accelerate the process of a chemical reaction by utilizing a light curing lamp. You will use it for, like, let's say 20, 30, 40 seconds, just because the light curing lamp generates heat. So basically heat accelerates the chemical reaction. And then afterwards you will cover everything with adhesive. Okay, so this is adhesive. And then you will go with your ceramic and resin cement to bond your indirect ceramic restoration. Okay, so here are the steps. By the way, the author of this protocol, Marco Grechnicht from Netherlands. He's my friend, very great clinician and also researcher. Okay, and then afterwards, the rest was cemented. Everything is done. Pretty big piece of ceramic is here. Here you can see before and after on the lower jaw. And from my experience in such cases, it works actually, because this is pretty old case. I don't remember exactly how long it is, maybe 7 or 8 years ago, and still the restoration is in patient's mouth and still in work, still in occlusion, still biting, chewing, and doing everything to keep my patient in a good level, let's say. Okay, I hope that everything was useful for you. I would like to remind you one more time to attend our online masterclass dedicated to ceramic posterior restorations, like ceramic veneers, tabletop restorations. Link is in the description to this video below, sorry. And I will be happy to meet you there. For the rest, I would like to wish you to be healthy, and may the dental force be with you guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.